The giant nose yearned for a Trobian trench coat, but hats sat too low while the empty sleeves flapped fleshless and broken, attracting just the type of attention a schmick private eye should avoid. So, the giant nose relied on grey-lensed parasols and the occasional moustache for disguise, which worked, generally speaking, and it was habit for the giant nose to move freely through the sinning city, unnoticed, untroubled, until kidnap, murder, black market liquor were bread and butter to a dick who was maybe straighter than most, but dames were poison. And when Mr. Big's own special little black bird, Missy M, took a hankering to a certain patrician profile, no amount of dissuasion, polite, then acrid, then downright reeking, could blow her off the scent. Rumors sprayed across town like bullets from a Tommy gun. It stank of a setup. The boys at the dock were apologetic as they trussed the giant nose like a Thanksgiving turkey. Breathe deep, it'll be over quicker that way, they said, tossing it into the murky depths where, thanks to the cinder blocks, it sank like a stone and came to rest gently at the bottom of the bay with all the other suckers.